I'm going to show you how to make an eye-catching thumbnail using Canva. So go ahead and search Canva in the search bar, and then either sign in or create an account. Now we're going to click on the thumbnail button right here. It says YouTube thumbnail. Click on that, and then we're going to start fresh. So I'm going to create the thumbnail I'm using for this video, and there's different things you can use: elements, text, brand, uploads, design, draw. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly create a thumbnail to show you guys the different elements. So you can click on elements, you can use arrows, frames, lines, circles, graphics, shapes, pictures, anything you want basically. You can change the background. There's so much customization to Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and create the thumbnail and I'll get back. Alright, so here's my thumbnail. So now I can go ahead and edit the title of it. And then you can press share. And then there's multiple ways to download this. You can download it, copy the link. You can change it to JPEG, PDF standard, PNG. So you can choose one of those. And then click on download. You can choose where you're downloading to. And then once it's done downloading, you have your thumbnail.